Hello everyone, welcome to the Cozy Corner, which is actually my first service accommodation in the heart of United Kingdom. When I say the heart of United Kingdom, it is in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire, Stoke-on-Trent, and the property is located in ST44JG. If you want to book the place, the link is down below, booking.com. You can go there and book it. If I talk about the Cozy Corner, actually this property is with 4 bedrooms, four double bedrooms basically, and out of those 4 double bedroom, I got one bedroom which is a bigger one, the master bedroom, with one single bed as well. So you will be able to stay like up to 3 people in that particular room, but the other 3 rooms are double bedroom, so easily you can fit 2 people in those 3 rooms, whereas the other room, which is the master bedroom, can accommodate up to 3 people. And when you're thinking about the public areas in the property, the living area is public for everybody who is staying in the property, and also you got the dining area where you will be able to see the whole property in a while. Yeah, you get the dining area and you get the pantry, and also the bathroom, which is shared with the people who are staying, with the guests who are staying in the property. So this is actually located in heart of England. When I say heart of England, it is kind of in the middle of the country. Not England, in the United Kingdom. It is in the heart of United Kingdom. So people who are traveling from south, from north, from west and east, it's very feasible for them to move around the United Kingdom, whole United Kingdom. So from 1st of July till today, I got a lot of people who come from Scotland, coming from south, coming from west and east as well. So I started it 1st July, and right now we are doing well. The thing is, like, if you're a landlord, you don't have to be worried about your property, because it is going to be well maintained. Every day it's going to take a fresh cleanup, and then the carpets will be clean, and the bathroom will be clean every day, and the kitchen and the pantry will be clean every day. Public areas like living rooms, dining areas and things like that, they will be also clean every day. So there is no that much big hassle for the landlords, especially for the landlords, when they give it to a person who is running a service accommodation. So if you are a landlord, my email address is in the video description. If you want me to work with you, please send me an email. I can come and have a look of your property. This is the main entrance, but I kept it closed because I have the side door, which is with the passcode enabled smart lock. So let's go in. Yeah. As soon as you go in, you have a nice cozy living room here, and then towards your left you have a big dining area, and also your kitchen is here, and the bathroom. It is a shared bathroom, and then outside you have a bit of space to hang around. Yeah. So now let's go to the rooms. I will show you the rooms. We got 4 rooms here in this service accommodation. I got 4 rooms here. This is the room number 1. I actually locked the rooms. Let me open it. Yeah, this is the first room. I'm going to open up the curtain and then show you around. This is the first room. And when you're checking in, you got this snacks, and then you got the double bed here, And you got your cupboard here, wardrobe. So this is first room, room number 1, and then I'm going to show you the other rooms which are in upstairs. So walk with me to the other rooms. This is the room number 2. This is the room number 2, and it got 2 double beds and 1 single bed, and big wardrobe, and also you still got enough space for 3 people here. And also in this room I'm going to put the telly, and you got your mini fridge as well. Right, that's the second room. I'm going to show you the third room. This is the room number 3, and it's empty today. There's no booking for the room number 3 today. And it also got this mini fridge, and I'm going to put a telly as well here. And you got this wardrobe. And this is room number 4. This is room number 4. It is also a double bedroom. Look at this wardrobe there. And then this, 2 chairs and tables. Each room you got the same setup, kind of a setup with the mini fridge. So that's what it is. That's the property about. So yeah, let's go downstairs. In my last clip, you have seen the whole property, what includes in the property. Now I'm going to take you through what includes in a bedroom. So I take bedroom number 1 as an example. So as you can see, first of all, you have this lovely bed, cozy bed. It's a double bed, and each room you have double bed. In room number 2, you have 1 double bed and 1 single bed where 3 people can accommodate. That's a separate thing. But now I'm going to explain you what includes. You have this small dining table, and then here you got your mini fridge. I also treat my guests with some snacks. I have some roasted peanuts, and then 1 cookie, also 2 bottles of water. And also I got a telly. In each room you will be able to find a telly, and you have your cupboard to put your clothes and all that. In general, you have free Wi-Fi in public areas, and also it is available in the rooms as well. In the public areas, as you have seen that I have kitchen, shared kitchen and shared bathroom, and the shared living area plus the dining area. So these are the basic things that you need when you are traveling, when you're coming with your family, when you're visiting your family members, when you're visiting the places around Stoke. These are the basic things actually a person required to stay in a holiday home like this. So guys, it's a nice and cozy rooms. I got 4 rooms, nice and cozy 4 rooms. Feel free to check out our property in booking.com. Now, as I said, if you want to book this place, it is in booking.com. Actually, I'm advertising it only in booking.com currently. I will be moving to different other platforms as well in the near future. So currently, even if it's with the booking.com, only one booking platform, it is getting the reservations. I'm getting reservations every day. So which is something nice, and this is my first service accommodation, and me and my family, we are doing this as a first project of our service accommodations, which has given us a huge experience, good knowledge about how to handle a service accommodation. Whatever the beddings that whatever the facilities that they get in this property, is phenomenal. Actually, every day I'm changing the linens, beddings and all that. Every day we are cleaning the property, and we are keeping the property, to a level where you can have a peaceful time while you're traveling. If I talk about Stoke-on-Trent, Stoke-on-Trent is in the middle of the United Kingdom, as I told you before, and it has various tourist destinations. Like if I talk about a very nice place called Dovedale, I've been there personally as well with my family. It's like 30 minutes from here, where you will be able to cover about like 13-14 attractions in the same location, where you have a nice walk around the hill area beside the lake, beneath the trees and all that. That's very fantastic place. And apart from that, you have Pottery Museum here, you have Trentham Garden here, you have Monkey Forest here, you got Mokop Castle is here. So likewise, there are a lot of tourist destinations around the Stoke-on-Trent, and there are a lot of things that you can do if you are traveling to the middle of the country like Stoke-on-Trent. So guys, as I told you before, if you want to book this service accommodation, the link is down in the description. Go to the link, find my property, and book it for yourself. Especially in August, the holiday season is coming up. Schools are closed, so people are traveling. So I am welcoming every one of you to book the place and see and experience nice living standard in this property. So if you have any concerns, if you have any comments, please feel free to share, and I'm happy to reply to all these things. Anyway guys, this is a very short video about my first ever service accommodation, and if you are willing to stay, drop an email or go to thebooking.com. You will be able to find a fantastic living experience with us. Feels like home in the cozy corner. Right guys, thank you so much watching me right now. I will be coming back with the next video. Until such time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification icon as well, so you will be able to get my videos as soon as I upload. So I'll go, and I'll see you back again with another video. Bye bye.